To sign up for a Binance account, you need two things: an email address and a smartphone, either an Android or an iPhone. You will need an ID for larger transactions. To start, go to the Binance webpage. After you have reached the Binance website, be sure to check for a green lock icon, which will tell you that you are on a secure connection with the site. If not, exit the site immediately and try again. To begin registering, go to the top right and hit the Register tab. Simply type in your email address and then your password, verify your password, and agree to Binance's terms of use. You can always also type in your friend's referral code to gain benefits from having friends on the site. Afterwards, a human verification pop-up will appear. Simply drag the slider so that the puzzle piece fits into the hole. Afterwards, you will see a message saying that you must verify your email. To do this, simply check for inbox and look for an email from Binance. If you cannot find one, check your spam and junk folder. It should look something like this. In the message, a link will be provided to verify your account. Simply click on the link and your account will be activated. From there, all you have to do is log on. After logging on, you will be prompted with a human verification puzzle. Again, solve this and then proceed onto the next page. Another pop-up will appear, this one recommending you to enable two-factor authentication. You will be given two options: Google authentication or SMS authentication. Using the SMS authentication, the site will send you a code onto your phone, which you will simply have to key in whenever you log on or make a withdrawal. The Google verification method requires you to download the Google Authenticator app onto your phone. After downloading, follow the in-app instructions to enable two-factor authentication with your phone. Simply key in your Binance authentication numerics or scan the QR code, and a series of digits will appear on the app. The numbers will change every few minutes and are revealed for whenever you are logging on or withdrawing from Binance. Currently, Binance does not support fiat currencies such as the US dollar or Japanese yen. You will need a separate wallet that is already funded. For example, Bitfinex allows you to buy crypto with your debit or credit card. After logging in, go onto the dashboard, go to the top right corner where it says Funds and hover over it so that a drop-down menu appears, and then click on Deposit, Withdrawal. You will then see a list of wallets that you have for the currencies that Binance supports. On the top right, there will be an estimated value of your total portfolio. Each wallet has three different functionalities. You can send, receive, and trade currencies. If you see a yellow exclamation point or grayed out buttons, that means the wallet is currently undergoing maintenance and may take a few days to resolve. Find a specific coin you wish to deposit with and hit the corresponding deposit button. For this video, I will be using Ethereum. When you click deposit, there will be an address which appears underneath your preferred wallet. Either copy this address or the QR code and simply send the funds to it. I will upload another video to help explain how to send and receive funds. After sending the funds to this wallet, you can check the progress of the transaction using the history page. Generally, deposits are not instant. All transactions will be listed here. They appear shortly after Binance gets a confirmation. When a transaction appears, a sending or receiving address will also appear along with a TXID, which can be used to check on the status of the transaction. Deposits finish after a specific amount of confirmations occur. They vary with each coin. After funding your account, go over to the dashboard and then hover over the Exchange tab. Clicking on any tab will bring you into the market where you can begin trading. You will then see something different. On the left, you will see a graph showing the current market price of the coin. On the bottom left, you will see 4 different tabs, each of which will show your transaction history. On the top right, you'll see 3 different tables. The rightmost one will show all the transactions occurring real time. The green and red differentiate between the buy and sell orders in the market. To change the coin you wish to trade, click on the tab next to Account and find the currency you wish to trade with. Binance has 4 different currencies for transactions with other altcoins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and US Tether, all of whom are good choices. After deciding on the coin you wish to trade, click on its name and then go to the bottom right corner where 3 different trade options will be available. You have limit orders, which allow you to buy and sell at a specific price, market orders, which buys and sells at the current market price, and lastly, stop limit orders, which is similar to limit orders but generally used by more advanced traders. I will be using my Ethereum funds to buy some Binance coins. When buying or selling, you can actually specify how much you want to trade with by simply hitting the tabs 25, 50, 75, or 100%, which automatically inputs a number corresponding to your total funds and allows for quick buying and selling. Optionally, you can also just type in how much you want to buy. Lastly, hit the buy or sell button and the order will be placed and fulfilled as soon as the trade becomes available. Now that you have accumulated some funds, you can transfer them to another wallet from Binance. To do so, go to your dashboard, hover over the Funds tab, and hit Deposit and Withdraw. Find the coin you wish to withdraw, and then hit the corresponding Withdraw button. Then, an interface similar to depositing will appear. Simply copy your receiving address onto Binance, as well as any necessary memo lines which some currencies may require. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. There will be a small transaction fee which will cover the cost of moving your funds to the other wallet. After, simply hit submit and a pop-up will appear prompting you to enter your Google authentication code. Simply enter the code which you have received either on your phone or via the Google app. After submitting, another pop-up will appear prompting you to check your email to confirm the transaction. All you have to do is go to your email, open it, and click on the confirmation link which will confirm your transaction. From there on, you're done. Be wary that you can only send up to 2 Bitcoins in a 24-hour period, at least until you verify your identity. Once done, your limits will be raised. Thank you for watching and good luck with your trades.